I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, moolah, moolah. Hi everyone, Happy New Year! Happy New Year! So this is my first video of the year, so I just want to wish you guys Happy New Year. I want to wish everyone Happy New Year, and this year is gonna be fabulous. This year is going to be better than last year, and I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed, can you please touch the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you can see videos that I upload as soon as it comes up on YouTube. Today's video is about my hair, my coils. So I'm showing you guys how I achieved this coil. This is the first time I'm using a Denman brush to activate my coils. That's the beauty about natural hair, because there's so many hairstyles you can do with your hair. I've been natural for a while now. So I recently cut my hair again, but I haven't done this hairstyle. So you can see that there's so many hairstyles that you can do with your natural hair. So I'm going to be bringing you more hairstyles with my natural hair. If you want to see how I achieve this coils, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm just applying my Edge Naturale follicle enhancer on my edges. I try to use this product once or twice a day. I'll be making a review on this product soon on my channel. Please watch out for the video. In my spray bottle, I have Carol's Daughter Fortifying Conditioner and water. I'm applying it on a freshly washed hair. This is going to help moisturize my hair. I'm going to be working in sections to make it easy. I'm using Ease Detangler brush to detangle my hair. You need to properly detangle your hair because we're going to be using a Denman brush and gel to activate the coils. Swola, 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 swola. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending that moolah, moolah, moolah. This process is repetitive. You need to detangle your hair first after applying some type of moisturizer. In this case, I use Carol's Daughter leave-in conditioner and water. After detangling your hair, you apply gel. I use the Eco Styler gel, and then you're going to use the Denman brush to activate the coils. This is detangler brush. Everybody needs to have this brush. Every naturalista needs to have this brush because it makes it easy for you to detangle your hair without feeling any pain on your hair. I'm loving the coils I'm getting from this Denman brush. You know, that's the beauty about natural hair. Anytime you do different techniques, you get like different kind of coils. So I'm just going to continue this process all through my hair. I'm just going to moisturize, detangle with my Ease Detangler brush, and then I'm going to apply my gel, Eco Styler gel, and then brush it through with my Denman brush. I wanted my hair to be dry before going to bed because I filmed this video while the kids were sleeping. So I'm using my diffuser to dry my hair. Normally I would dry my hair if I have the time, but not today. So we are going to use the diffuser to dry the hair. So I just put my hair in smaller sections with a headband, and I have my satin cap. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to bed. So I have coconut oil on my hands, and this is the next day. So I'm going to loosen the headbands with my coconut oil on my hands, and I'm just going to massage my hair while
I'm loosening it, and yeah, and I'm gonna style the hair.
Swolla, swolla, swolla. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, 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 hola. See you move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending a moolah, moolah, moolah.
Thank you so much for watching. If you want videos with my natural hair, please thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with your friends or family, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a drop poppin', pocket, swolla, 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 swolla. Swolla, swolla.